Guys, welcome to another video, and here is your boy Leke, Cosby Finance. And if you're new to this channel, I'd like you to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and also if you like to get notifications, also click the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever we post new videos. And as our custom is, we always like to bring you great ideas on how to trade and how to make money in the markets. And in this channel, basically we focus on the crypto market and the volatility in this index market. And why is that? Because we realize that these markets are quite easy for people to understand before they actually move to the forex market. Though the strategies that we share here could also be used for the forex markets, but we believe that if you can master and profit from this market, then it's going to be a stepping stone or a ladder for you to succeeding in the forex market. So if you want to check all the strategies that we've created in the past that a lot of individuals have been using and have been profiting, I'd like you to just check the link, just check the description below. You're going to see videos, links to the videos we've created in the past, and you can also go over to our channel and you'll see all the videos right there. Make sure you take your time to watch them so that you could actually know the particular one that is going to be good for your own personality, because trading is a function of your personality, and it's necessary that you choose a strategy that you're comfortable with. So with us understanding that, I'd like us to just move into what we have right before us. And the strategy I want to actually show you this time around is the double Bollinger strategy. Yes, now the double Bollinger strategy is awesome in the sense, in my reason for saying this is because it's something that a lot of persons have actually not thought about. The Bollinger indicator itself is a trend indicator, and it's an indicator that can help you to know the beginning of a trend, and it can help you to know the end of a trend. Now, the indicator in itself is not all sufficient, though it's awesome, but it's not all sufficient. But you could actually link it up with a few indicators that can make it look and do awesome things. So in this particular strategy, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use two Bollinger bands, and also included with the stochastic, so that you could actually know when a particular trend is about to begin and placing your entry right at the beginning of the trend. So quickly jump into our chart. You can see right here that you can see that you have my double Bollinger band. Here I have two Bollinger bands. The first one is period 80, division 2, close. Then you can choose whatever color you like. Then the second one, which is this yellow Bollinger band, is period 20, divisions 2, and close. Then whatever color that suits you. Then the next thing is your stochastic indicator. Not to worry if you basically don't know how to add indicators to your chart on PC. Peradventure, if it's your first time, just go over to my channel and you will see a video that explains how you can actually add indicators and templates to your chart. So now quickly let's go over this. Now for your stochastic, your period, your K period is 20, your D period is 4, your slowing is 10, price field low stroke high, and method is simple. So, and you leave the colors on the default, and then you just click OK. So now this is what you have, and the reason why I'm choosing this strategy and why it's also good for those that want to grow a small account to use this strategy is because you can actually use this strategy on a smaller time frame. You can say that I'm using a 5-minute time frame. Yeah, you can see a 5-minute time frame. So it's necessary that you choose your time frame wisely because of the volatility of the market and your capital size. So this is a strategy that you can use for an account that is small, maybe $20, maybe 30, maybe 50, and I would advise that you use the smallest lot sizes so that your account doesn't get blown away. Yes, because it might actually take you some time to actually master the strategy. So quickly, how does this strategy work? It's simple. Now you're only looking for when the two Bollinger bands overlap, where they intersect, like you can see right here. Now whenever this smaller Bollinger band, which is the 20 period, crosses the 80 period, you can see that the market tends to reverse. Yes, that tells you that it's an oversold or an overbought. So now the bigger Bollinger band, which is the 80, serves majorly like a dynamic resistance and support. Yes, so it's more like a dynamic resistance and a dynamic support. So whenever it hits this region, it tends to reverse back into the Bollinger band, which is the 80 Bollinger band. And you know, the Bollinger band basically is an indicator that tends to wrap around the market price movements. So the bigger Bollinger band helps us to know the ranges of the market. Yeah, so we use it to know that, oh, this market has pushed beyond its limit to the upside, is pushed beyond its limit to the lower side. So now what you're gonna do is, once you see a scenario like this, you can see something like this, you can see it is pushed below the 80, which is the white Bollinger band. Yeah, now once it is pushed below this, now you expect that the market should reverse back upwards, and sometimes it might not be a full reversal. It could be just a pullback, but we could also profit from a few pullbacks. But at the same time, we still need some little confirmations of if this is going to pull through. So we don't just stake our cash and we just see the market moving against that direction. So I like you to just stay with me right here, so that it's necessary that you watch this video to the end and see how this works. Don't just be in a haste to leave. So now quickly, you can see right here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to move over to, once I've seen a scenario like this, which shows that the market has been exhausted towards the downside, like here, you can see that the yellow, which is a 20 moving average, the 20 period Bollinger band, has crossed the 80 Bollinger band. Now the next thing is to look for a divergence. Yeah, now there are two types of divergence. We have the hidden divergence, we have the regular divergence. But remember that the hidden divergence shows you a continuation of a trend, while the regular divergence, or otherwise known as the classic divergence, or sometimes called the normal divergence, is usually used for reversals. Yes, when the market is actually changing turning in the opposite direction of the trend. So you can use it to catch such movements very early. So now, if you want to have a good understanding of how divergence works, the hidden and the regular divergence, just go over to my channel or check the description below. You will see a link that takes you straight up to the divergence tutorial, so you understand how you can actually use it and apply it for your trading. Because like I usually say, it's best to have at least 2 confirmations before you can actually take a trade. Preferably, sometimes you can go as far as 3 or 4 confirmations, but at least make sure you have 2 confirmations before you place your trade. So right here, now this is what we have. You'll see the market moved here. So here I can see my regular divergence. You can see the market move from here to here. Then you can see market moves on your stochastic from here to here. You can see. So this is a regular divergence. Then you can see the market pushed up. So from here it pushed to the overbought region, and you can just take your profit right here and you get out. Just so from here to here is your profit, which is from here to here. So that's how it works. Let's see another scenario. Let's look at another scenario. Let's see if this worked. No, this didn't work, but I think this worked. Yes, this worked. Okay, from here to here, you can see that. You can see from here to here, from here to here. You can see that the market dropped to an oversold level here, extremely oversold. Then you can see the same thing, close, something close here, but this is not too obvious. But we like to work with something that is very distinct. You can see here this was a complete push. Then you can see that the market tended to drop a bit here, and on our stochastic you can see that we have a regular divergence here. Then you can see the market pushed up. You can actually take your profit here, which is here, but also it depends on your knowledge of the market. You can actually ride waves upwards. Alright, so now let's look at another good scenario. Now you can see that in the market presently, in this present market, you can see that right now we have something similar. You can see that the market pushed outside here. Then you check, you can see there's no divergence here. The market also pushed upwards here. Then you can see the market pushed upwards here also. You can see, let's join this, let's see if we can find a divergence. You can see that there's a divergence here. You can see this. You can see. So the market, you can see there's a divergence here. So in this kind of stuff, you take the trade. So you take the trade just here. You place your entry here. Then you get out just right here where you have the turn of your stochastic, which is here. Right here. So you, from here to here, from here to here is your profit. So it's just as simple as it is. It's as simple as it is. You can see that even right now I'm seeing a double top right here, double top. Then you can see that the stochastic moved lower also. So all you need to do is just wait for this cross. Once you have the cross on your stochastic, then you place your entry also. So that's how you can actually make use of this particular strategy. So you can go ahead and backtest it by yourself. You can demonstrate it and see its profitability. And also, if you have any questions, don't forget to contact me. My contact details are in the description below, and also you can also drop your comments and questions. I will answer each and every one of them without wasting time. And also, if you want to join the community, you can also see all the links in the description below. If you want to see, if you want to get a few of the indicators I explained how to use previously, you can see the link of how to download it in the description below also. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to this channel, because videos like this will always be created and sent to you, because all we want you to do is to profit from the markets. And also click the bell button so that you get notifications whenever we upload these videos. So I remain your boy Leke, and bye for now.